Welcome, busy moms, to another weekly weekend reset. I was feeling so sluggish today, but little by little, as things started getting cleaner and neater, I started feeling better and better. God, that was so cheesy. I'm sorry. First things first, we're gonna start with the music. Today, we're listening to Shakira, Eres Tú? For those of you that are new here, my name is Catalina. I am a married working mom with 3 kids. I work full time, and my kids have activities Monday through Friday and sometimes Saturday. Usually when I tell people that, they assume that each kid has activities Monday through Friday. They don't. Each kid has 1 to 2 activities that they do per week. Okay, so it's not that bad. It's just a lot on me because someone's got to take them to all these activities. Oh my gosh, it was actually so embarrassing. So earlier this week, after dropping off my daughter to her activity, as I was driving home, I ran out of gas for the 15 billionth gajillionth time. And instead of having to call AAA, I decided, you know what, I'm going to take care of this. There was a gas station not too far away. So I walked over there. I bought the last gas can, filled it up with some gas, walked over back to my car, and could not get the gas from the gas can into the gas tank. Apparently the nozzle itself wasn't long enough, and it was one of those like non-spill or spill-proof gas cans, but it spilled all over the place. Anyways, I ended up calling AAA, and they had to come and rescue me once again, and they even tried to use that gas can. It literally leaked all over the place for them too. So it's not user error, okay? It's built bad. Anyways, they did tell me that all I needed was a funnel in the future, and that I probably had one with my spare tire. So like, even though I watched 30 minutes of YouTube videos and like Googled what to do at that point, somehow I didn't find out that I might have had a funnel next to my spare tire. Actually, to this day, I haven't even checked if that's true. I just accepted my fate and was humiliated that I probably could have still figured it out myself, but didn't. Anyways, guys, so as you guys can see, I already picked up all the chairs, started the vacuum, and now I am cleaning off the kitchen counters. I am, however, not going to be doing the dishes. If you have noticed, week by week, I usually don't do the dishes. I'll maybe wash the pots and pans, but my kids have chores, and one of the chores is for them to do the dishes, so I am leaving that for them to take care of. I've been loving so much making these videos week by week. It's been about 2.5 months now, and my house has literally never been cleaner. It's also getting easier to actually get up on Saturday mornings to clean. That used to be the last thing I wanted to do on the weekends on my time off, and now I actually get so excited to get up and clean just so that I can record it and post it. Honestly, it's taken it from being a chore into being a form of creativity for me. Ooh, also this week I am decorating for Halloween. Finally, I'm so excited. I normally start earlier in September, but every week I've been telling myself I'm going to pull out the decorations, and then I don't. So finally, after I did the cleaning today, I did pull out actually the kids pulled out the tubs. They were tired of waiting. And no, I didn't record it. I really, really wanted to. I promise. I did want to record it. I wanted to be all aesthetic and make a cute little decorate with me for Halloween video, but I'm honestly kind of exhausted. I'm tired, and editing these videos is already enough work. Not only that, but the kids got so into it, I didn't want to ruin the moment by being like, wait, let me set up my camera. So we took out the decorations, we reminisced on some of the older ones, we started putting stuff out, and it was a nice little family time. You probably will already have seen those decorations in some of the videos I've already posted because I am uploading these not in chronological order. I'm getting to the voiceovers as I have time, but they're there. I don't know about you guys, but I actually prefer decorating for Halloween more than I do for Christmas. It's just something about all the spookiness and all the fun that you can have with it, where Christmas is more like it's beautiful to look at, but Halloween is more like interactive in a way. There's also something to be said for when all the holidays are over and you finally take them all down and it's just your plain old house decor. I actually get excited for that at the end of the holiday season. Anyone else? Is it just me? What's your guys' favorite holiday to decorate for? Or do you like taking it all down and having it plain and simple once again? Okay, it's really hot. I'm gonna change into a t-shirt and then I'm gonna mop. And then I think that's it for that area. Please hold. All right, so I just changed for the day because I figured I'm gonna have to anyways to go grocery shopping later. Ooh, I don't remember how to put this on. No, I genuinely love this apron so much. I ended up finding it and ordering it because I was getting a costume for Oktoberfest, and this isn't the apron that I wanted for Oktoberfest, but when I saw it I was like, I kind of want it anyways. Kind of pulled that out too much. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay, I might have done it too tight now. That's good. All right, so I got these containers so that I can put in my laundry cabinet. I was hoping that they would fit on the side over here, but they kind of like sit over the ledge, and I don't want them to sit like that. So they are gonna go in the cabinet, but it's still gonna be helpful and look so much nicer. Let's unpack this. It also came with 2 scoopers, which is perfect. I need 2 scoopers for what I'm going to use them for. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plop these little guards into place here. I'm going to test one out. I don't know if this should just be on the bottom one to protect your cabinets, or if it's good also for stacking on top of each other. Okay, so I bought this Ariel Downy detergent because I've heard it smells really, really good. We're gonna put this in the bottom one. Oh my god, it does smell amazing. Go ahead and put a little scooper in there. So that's the first one done. The next one, I'm gonna put OxyClean. It already comes in a container with the lid, but the lid is constantly falling off. It's so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest away. Here's the other scooper. And for the last one, I actually need to buy more, but I'm just going to put the dryer sheets. I'm just gonna throw these in there too because there's obviously plenty of space. There we go. All right, and there we go. I think it looks so cute. And when I want these, I could just take the whole thing out or just pull it out and scoop out what I need. Admittedly, I would have liked it here, but I don't want it crooked, so. All right, we're back downstairs. We're just gonna finish mopping here and then we are done for today, besides putting the chairs back, of course. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming by and spending some time with me and my channel. If you like this cleaning content, there is plenty more here for you to scroll through and watch. I post my weekly weekend resets nearly every weekend, as well as our grocery shopping trips and haul with prices. I mentioned it earlier, but I am a working mom, so really the only time that I have to do things like this are on the actual weekends. Throughout the week, we're mostly just doing damage control, taking the kids to all their different activities, making sure they're doing their chores, their homework. It's been a dream of mine to make YouTube videos and have a successful channel for years, but every time I would post like 1 or 2 videos and then I would stop making content altogether. So I'm desperately trying to stay consistent because I've just realized after all these years, it's something that I still really want. And I just want you guys to know that every single subscriber I get so excited. So if you've made it to the end, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Oh yeah, and just in case you guys are interested, I also post on TikTok. I post like shorter clips on TikTok. So if that's your thing, go follow me there as well. Bye.